what we have here, guys. Mail call. Big shout out to Bloom Plus. They sent us out this light and sponsored our 2x3 grow. So let's get this light unboxed and see what it's all about. We're gonna be running this in our 2x3. Gonna be doing some auto flowers in this run. So let's go. The package really nice. I like the foam. Has like a nice foam and stuff in the box. Protect it. That's really nice. I like that. First off, pretty nice looking light. Turn it over. Got the driver back here. Doesn't think it has any dimming capability. Got some ratchet hangers. I guess that's it. So you get here, comes with it. You got some ratchet straps. You also have some hanging harness. This is what you get with her. So here's a look at the specs. BP1500, 150 watts. Look at the driver. So it does dim. Has this little pocket at the side. You put a screwdriver in there and you could dim it from there. So you have the hardware on. I'm gonna hang this light. It fits really nice in this 2x3. She's lighting it up pretty good. Take a look at the diodes. So you can see it has 2 rows of reds. Then it has a mixture of 5000K and 3500K. Filling out really good. So it would be a good full spectrum light. It would be good for seed straight to flowering. So there you go, Bloom Plus SP1500. Stay tuned, let's see how this baby grows. Like, share, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And you know what to do. DIY, grow it yourself.